unique award, the National Yash Chopra Memorial Award.
His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, our distinguished friend, former Indian Minister, Member of Parliament, and a great exemplary film star, my great friend, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. Normally, we call evergreen hero, evergreen heroine. But evergreen beautiful, the secret she doesn't tell to other ladies how to preserve the beauty, that is Rekha. Pam Chopra, our great family friend, the wife of great Yashji. Tiger. Who is Tiger? Shatrughan Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha, the way he acts like a tiger only. And even in Parliament, the style he walks, you can see how his style. That is Shatrughan Sinha. My great friend. And we have jury members, the Simi and Padmini Kolhapur and Mr. Bonnie Kapoor, and we all met and we had a jury discussion. Yashi is a great filmmaker, perhaps in Indian history. 50 years continuously is impossible. I'm very fond of art, love, the films. Incidentally, I made a number of films in Telugu, Sanskrit, English and Hindi. But a filmmaker continues for 50 years. He created sensational by making super hits. It's phenomenal. And we both made two great films, Chandni and Lamhe. So it's a great film. Even today, any generation we ask, you remember Chandni Lamhe? Oh, wonderful film. So we both made, it was like that we became very close. The first year, we are given to Lata Mangeshkar. The second year, we are given to Amitabh Bachchan. The third year, another flower is here. Badshah, king, emperor, but is emperor in the hearts of the people as a great personality, good human being. That's very rare. And Shah Rukh Khan, 25 years back, started career. Today, his achievements are something spectacular, unparalleled, phenomenal, magnificent. And with his action, his performance, he can electrify you, he can inspire you, he can magnify you, he can stimulate you. That is Shah Rukh Khan acting. So he is the man who conquered the hearts of every generation, every caste and creed. Everybody is only Shah Rukh. And also I'm going to tell this one happy thing on this occasion. TV9, the most bright channel, one of the bright channels in the country, they're having language, so many languages. Ravi Prakash CEO is also here. Telugu, Kannada, Gujarat, all languages. They're having channels. English channel also is there, news channel. So TSR TV9, first time in Indian history, in the open grounds, where about 1 lakh crowd will be assembled in Visakhapatnam, April 8th. I am having National Film Awards function. First time, because people do it only 1,000, 2,000. 1 lakh presents, we must honor our stars. So that day, the star of millennium is Shah Rukh Khan. I am going to honor that day on April 8th. So that will be telecast all over the world. So I pray God, Shah Rukh Khan must have the same zeal, enthusiasm, lifelong. Now he must live for 100 years and make the people of India feel proud that he is today 3.3 billions of people all over the world know and like Shah Rukh Khan. That is Shah Rukh Khan. Jata ghata asambhrama brahmanya limpa nichari vilola vichi vallari virajamana mudhani bhagat bhaga jalata patta pavake kishora chandra sekhare yaksha swarupa jatadharaya pinaka hastaya sudivya dehaya दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय हे भूताधिपतिये हे छंदासी धारापतिये हे रुद्र आज्ञापतिये ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल स्फुर स्फुर प्रस्फुर प्रस्फुर घोर घोर तर तन रूप चट चट पचित पचित कह कह बंद बंद घातय घातय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रचंड काली मच्छटा विडंबिकंठ कंदर रुचि प्रबंध कंदरम स्मरच्चिदम पुरच्चिदम भवच्चिदम मुखच्चिदम गजच्चिदम तकच्चिदम स्मरांतकम पुरांतकम भवांतकम मकांतकम गजांतकम तम तकांतकम भजे. Thank you.
Shah Rukh is not only a great actor, and I'm a very big fan of his. I would walk a mile to go and watch a film of his. But besides that, he's a great human being. And once he becomes your friend, he's your friend forever. And that's his greatest quality.
बहुत खुशी की बात है कि हम सब ऐसी हस्ती, ऐसी पर्सनालिटी के अवार्ड के सिलसिले में हम सब मौजूद हैं. वो कोई और नहीं, द लेजेंड यश चोपड़ा जी. उनके ख्यालों में, उनके बातों में कई साल से, लगभग 4 साल से ये सिलसिला देखते हुए आ रही हूँ. मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहती हूँ, धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ सुब्बुराम रेड्डी जी को. उन्होंने अपना फ्रेंडशिप को, स्नेह को हमेशा बरकरार रखना चाहते हैं. इसी के वजह से उन्होंने ये एसजी के यादों के लिए, उनके एहसास के लिए हमारे दिल में एक ताज़ा एहसास हमेशा रहना है. यही उनका ख्वाहिश है. इसी के वजह से ये अवार्ड्स का ये सिलसिला जारी किया है. और लगातार जो ऐसे हकदार बनता है उन्हीं को अवार्ड जूरी चुनकर इन सब को, कलाकारों को सम्मान करना, इस अवार्ड को देना एक सिलसिला है. फिल्मों में मैंने हर डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने का मुझे मौका दिया. सिर्फ एसजी के साथ पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ है. आज एसजी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक पहचान दिया है, नेशनली, इंटरनेशनली. सुब्बुराम रेड्डी अगर यहाँ हमारे साथ नहीं होते तो आज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक फ्रेंडशिप के द्वारा, एक पॉलिटिक्स हर एक करते हैं, बिजनेस हर एक करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा अपना पैसा लगा के जो कलाकारों के लिए सम्मान करना, ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. उसके लिए मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ, गिव हिम ए बिग हैंड. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
A unique award, the National Yash Chopra Memorial Award.
You know, he's a great philanthropist, but सबसे important is a great friend. और ऐसे सुब्बुराम रेड्डी ने जो ना सिर्फ यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, लेट एंड ग्रेट यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ